Hello learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sagar.Utekar. So far we have discussed openings, jobs and SRE openings in multiple different companies. We started with SRE intern opening in Microsoft and um, amazing news that couple of our learners have already got call from Microsoft for SRE intern interview. Then we discussed about cloud native startup Cloud Draft. Then we discussed about another opening in Okta actually multiple openings in Okta. Then we discuss about openings in Zeta. They are currently running um, diversity hiring drive for women, which is amazing thing. Then previously we discussed about another cloud native startup in Pune, which is hiring for multiple roles for SRE and senior SRE. So amazing feedback, amazing reviews, and amazing um, output from this job openings series where we discuss different openings for SRE, DevOps intern, SRE interns. We break down the JD, what to focus on, how to reach out for the referral, how to improve your resume according to JD and everything. So if you have any feedback for this ongoing series, definitely let me know. And okay, so today we are going to discuss about another startup from India, very growing startup, one of leading payment startup, I would say. This is PhonePe. Okay, so let's discuss about PhonePe openings. I have received multiple calls from the different recruiters at PhonePe for SRE openings, and that is when I realized, okay, PhonePe is hiring very aggressively for SRE roles for different verticals, and that is why we are creating this video. Perfect. Let's talk about PhonePe openings. I'm assuming you are from India and know about PhonePe. If not, let me give you a short, quick introduction about PhonePe. PhonePe is an Indian digital payments and financial services company. They are headquartered in Bangalore, India. It was founded back in December 2015 by three founders, Samir Nigam, Rahul Chari, and Bozin. Many of us daily use PhonePe application. It is based on unified payment interface, which went live in August 2016, before even COVID. Currently, PhonePe is being used by almost every Indian. The number which they have said the users is 50 crores registered users, more than 3.7 crores merchants covering over 99% of the postal codes across India. They are they have expanded their business into financial services now, into insurance, mutual funds, stock brokering, and lending, as well as adjacent tech-enabled businesses such as PinCode for hyperlocal shopping and Indus app stores, which is India's first localized app store. PhonePe Group is portfolio of business aligned with company's vision to offer every Indian an equal opportunity to accelerate in their progress by unlocking the flow of money and access to services. And that's very much true. They have changed the Indian market and they have provided a good platform for uh, small businesses, um, right, to accelerate their progress for the flow of money and access to services. So if you want to know more about PhonePe, you can check out PhonePe website. They have very good information here. I'll leave that to you. Currently, PhonePe is hiring for more than 20 plus different SRE openings, from junior levels to senior levels and even managers. PhonePe SRE team is built with multiple different verticals. Big data, then they have network team, network SRE team, they have Linux SRE team, they have Azure SRE team, different verticals. So while applying for any of these role, make sure you are applying for the relevant role based on your skill set, not applying for any random opening. Okay, so you can go to PhonePe's careers page and you will see there are multiple openings from 2 plus years to 5 plus, 8 plus, 12 plus, 7 plus years. Different verticals, big data, database, system, SRE, Linux SRE, network SRE. And JD, I have went through the JD. It is very similar. Let me open one of JD. Okay, so this is for SRE 3 big data role. They are looking for someone who is passionate about maintaining the reliability and performance of one of world's largest fintech infrastructure. That's very much true. They are seeking a skilled SRE system engineer to join their dynamic team. The ideal candidate will have a solid foundation of Linux Unix administration, networking, along with a keen understanding of open source technologies, tools, and cloud services. So this is a JD. They're looking for Linux admin, network proficient, then open source tools and technology knowledge, cloud knowledge. If you have knowledge about databases, well and good. You'll work on call as well. You should have very good communication skills, automation knowledge using tools like SalStack, programming knowledge, preferred Golang, and cloud knowledge. Okay, so JDs for different roles it's very similar. For this is for SRE2, and if you check, JD is almost same for any roles except for different teams. Like this is hiring for SRE network operations team. For this one, it's different. And since this is for the network SRE, they will mainly focus on the networking knowledge. So you can go through the JD. If you check big data SRE role, I think JD is not changing, but you will be tested on the big data knowledge as well. So make sure if you're applying for this particular opening, you have at least enough knowledge about big data. Okay, so these are the multiple openings they have. Uh, then what next? Interview process. I did not find the interview process for PhonePe, but I'm assuming uh, only one review which I found on the Glassdoor for the interview process. The interview process which include phone screening round with recruiter to understand whether you have right skill set or not. Then you will go through couple of technical interview rounds and then final interview round with a team. They will mainly focus on the problem solving, system architecture, and troubleshooting skills. Okay, so prepare accordingly. And it is best to check with a recruiter at each step of your interview process to understand more on what you can expect in the interview rounds. Another thing which you can do is reach out to people who recently interviewed for the PhonePe SRE role or who recently joined as SRE in PhonePe and get some information from them. What was the interview process? If they are good people, then they will help. Otherwise, we can't say anything. But generally, the interview process will be more relied uh, on the problem solving, system architecture, and troubleshooting. So just focus on those parts. Let's talk about salary. So PhonePe salary range as per Glassdoor is between the base will be around 20 to 23 lakhs and additional some bonuses and some stock units, I guess. But based on what information I have from my um, college juniors, PhonePe offers more than 30 to 40 lakhs LPA. So again, I would suggest that while negotiating, check with people or your friends who are working in PhonePe or someone if they are ready to reveal the package for that role, then check with them. Don't get low salary than their band. It will be also depend on your interview performance. So consider all these things while negotiating salary, right? Let's talk about how to apply for these open roles. So I got reached out by multiple recruiters from PhonePe for SRE openings. I'll share a couple of references. So Monica is recruiter in PhonePe. She reached out to me for SRE opening. You can reach out to her. I have shared her LinkedIn profile. That she's a recruiter, so I'm not sure whether she'll reply to everyone or not. Try to uh, cold email do a cold email to her and try to reach out to her over the LinkedIn. She's replying well and good. Then another recruiter, Nisha Menon, she also reached out to me for SRE opening. I have shared her profile as well, LinkedIn profile. You can reach out to her. And the third reference is Sairaj Sawant. He is my junior from PICT College. He is currently working in PhonePe. Very nice guy. If your profile is strong, then assuming Sairaj will help you with the reference. The last option is Sai Venkatesh. He shared this post a couple of months back for PhonePe hiring a SRE roles. If you see here, he also mentioned that there are different openings for SRE, SRE DBA, SRE System Linux, SRE Azure, Azure Big Data. And the good part is we have his Gmail ID, so you can email him or reach out to Sai Venkatesh on LinkedIn for referral. Okay, so I'm going to share this document in the video description. Make sure you go through the uh, description and remember all the points I have mentioned while reaching out to a recruiter or any employee. Put a well drafted message why you are reaching out to them. What is your skill set? Don't wait for them with hi and hello messages. Directly draft one single message and share your complete message why you're reaching out to them. Okay. Then with your resume, like as I mentioned before as well, put some effort. I am sharing all the JDs. I am sharing what they are looking for. Put some effort. Make sure you are redesigning your resume according to JD. Instead of applying for hundred of job interviews or job openings, even if you are uh, getting calls from five companies, that is enough. But we need to make sure we are applying with the right approach. We spend some time, maybe take help from ChatGPT or Grok, any agent or any GPT to formulate your resume according to JD. Now it is very easy. Okay. Then the third tip is interview process. While scheduling your interview, talk to your recruiter for the interview process, what you can expect in the next round, and prepare accordingly. Most of interviewers will help you with some buffer time to prepare for the interview rounds. So don't hurry or don't directly jump for the interview. Prepare well and don't delay it too much as well. You feel like if you have enough confidence, then go for the interview. You'll realize on if you are watching all these videos, then you'll realize that most of JDs are similar. Interview process will be little different based on the company and the interview panel, but they are testing you based on your Linux knowledge or networking knowledge, one cloud, any cloud. Then automation tools, observability tools, CI/CD pipeline tools, your Terraform, your Kubernetes, Docker knowledge, observability tools like Prometheus, Grafana, Datadog, programming, one programming, Golang or Python. So prepare accordingly. You don't need to spend too much time on all these tools. If you are preparing a generic JD, a generic interview, SRE or DevOps interview, that is enough for you to crack most of these companies. And if you need any help, we are we have free Discord server, Discord community server. You can um, ping anytime, and any of our learners will help you out. Okay, that is about help from our side. What we are expecting from you is that if you are getting benefited from this job series or any of our different community initiatives, please support with like, share, subscribe, and mainly sharing this uh, these videos on your LinkedIn or to your friends, so we will be able to help more and more learners through these community initiatives. Okay, and if you are giving any interviews, you can help us with providing sample interview questions which you have faced. So my plan for the next week, once I'm back from the Ganesh Chaturthi, is that create interview question and answers. That will help you to answer how to that will give you idea how to answer the interview questions for the DevOps and SRE without having fear in mind or the best way. If you are attending any interviews for the DevOps SRE roles, help us with the interview questions you have faced. If you are applying for openings, then share that with other learners or with me so I can create more videos for other people. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next one.